Managing clients, estimates, invoices, and payments can quickly become overwhelming as your service business grows. That's why I created Saelis, an automated Google Sheets client management and invoice system designed for freelancers, VA, agencies, and service-based businesses. With Saelis, you can manage your entire client workflow in one organized system. Create professional project cost breakdowns and estimates to clearly present your pricing to clients while building trust and transparency. Before sending a quote, use the internal cost sheet to understand your actual costs, profit margins, and earnings, helping you make better pricing decisions and avoid undervaluing your work. Keep all your clients organized with the client records, where your information is stored and automatically reused across your estimates and invoices, saving you time and reducing errors. Track every proposal you send through the client proposal log, monitor statuses, and keep your opportunities organized. When it's time to bill your clients, generate professional invoices, send them directly to your clients, and automatically save PDF copies to your Google Drive. The payment tracker helps you monitor unpaid, paid, and overdue invoices so you always know where your business stands. Everything comes together in the dashboard, where you can quickly view your financial insights, pending actions, performance, and client overview. Saelis is built to simplify your workflow, giving you more time to focus on your clients and your business instead of managing repetitive tasks. Saelis is available through the link in the comment section.